kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw and paint a gorilla? Yay! Start with the head, the ears, a tuft of hair, the inner face like a figure of 8, eyebrows and circle eyes, little nostrils oval shaped and a smiley mouth. Now we're going for the chest and the tummy, and the arms are raised with the hands in the air. Excellent! A bit of symmetry, so they're exactly the same on each side. Some palms, ready to paint, just like that. Starting with sparkly silver for the outer ear, and then black inside, and black for the outside of the face. Brilliant! Going for silver on the inside face, going around the eyes carefully. There you go. And the chest and the tummy can be the same colour. How about the palms of the hands too? Fantastic. Back to black. Now we're doing a normal black colour for our gorilla, but you can do your gorilla any colour you like. Why not make it a rainbow gorilla? All different colours. Maybe you could even put a pattern on it, like hearts or stars or stripes. Be as creative as you like. It's your gorilla. We're using sparkly black and silver and grey paint. You can use crayons or pencils or pens. It really is all up to you. And there you have it. Gorilla! Woohoo! Well done. Hey kids, how are you today? Let's draw and colour in a zebra. Starting with the eye and eyebrow. Doing the outline with the ear and the back, going onto the legs and the hooves. That's it, just copy us, the nose, and the mane and the other ear, tail, and the back leg. There you go. Now we start to add our detail and stripes, first on the mane and then on the body. If this video is going too fast for you, you can always pause it or even rewind. You can do your stripes however you like. Long rectangular shapes, simply just stripes, or even some long triangles. A bit curvy on the legs. Skipping out the hooves, and there you go, ready to paint. Black for the stripes and the nose. Even blacker nostril. And every other part of the mane is black. And of course, in between those lines that we just drew, leaving a white gap in between each one. Lovely. Have you ever wondered, is a zebra black with white stripes or white with black stripes? We're going for black on the tip of the tail, and also the hooves can be black. Almost there, one more leg to go. And we're done. And there you have it, a cute zebra. Ah, I want to see one now at the zoo. Hey kids, how would you like to draw and paint a cute little bunny? You would? Brilliant! Let's do the ears first. Long oval shapes. Then the head is a circle. Little tuft of hair. Circular eyes with some eyelashes, of course, 3 on each side. The patches, the nose, the mouth. Now for the body. Arms, tummy, tail and feet, and the pads underneath. Perfect! Darkening up the border. And ready to paint, yay! Going for a lovely pink colour for the inner ear. A cute pink and grey bunny. Ah, grey on the outside. I love these two colours together, they look awesome. Now a light grey or silver. The centre of the face there, carefully going around the little nose and the mouth. That's it. Going for the dark grey again. On either side, going around the eyes. Gorgeous! That's it, and done! Now pink for the tongue. And a little brown nose. Back to the light grey silver colour. We're going to do the body with the arms. Either side, leaving out the middle of the paws and the tummy. Then we're going back to pink for the tummy to match the inner ears. I love this baby pink colour, don't you? And the bottom of the feet the same. Dark grey. And the tail. And we are done! There you go! How super easy was that? And how super cute! I would love to have a bunny, wouldn't you? Hey kids, have you ever been to a zoo? Have you ever seen a giraffe? Look at that long neck! Shall we draw? We start with an oval shape for the head, not to forget the ears and the bumps on top, of course. Let's do the eyes. And the nose and mouth. Right, now for the neck and the body and legs. See, it's super easy to do. Some spots. The tail. And we're ready to paint. Let's go for some brown for the top of our horns, pink for the inner ear, and yellow for the main part of the giraffe. Imagine if you were a giraffe. You would be super tall with that long neck. Imagine the view from up there. I wonder what they can see. I bet they can see everything. Do you know why giraffes have such long necks? Well, I think it is to reach their food, of course, because they eat leaves. Gold for the spots. And if you want to be really creative, you could do multicoloured spots. Beautiful. And the feet. And let's finally do brown for the tail. And there you have it, a gorgeous giraffe. Go and eat your leaves. Bye! Rawr! I'm a tiger! Wanna draw and paint me? Yay! Let's start with the outline using a black pen. We're doing from the front foot up the leg to the face and the ears, the back and the tail, and then down. Let's start the legs from the back, leaving some spaces for the claws on the paws. And now we're adding the claws in, doing different sized claws to show perspective. Brilliant. Now for some finishing touches. Separating the feet from the leg, the belly, and the facial features. Now we're going to do our tiger stripes. 3 on each side of the face, and then along the back, and the tail. Lots of triangles to make our stripes. Some whiskers, don't forget it's a big cat. Right, ready to paint. Starting with black, we're going to do all of the stripes or triangle shapes and the nose. Nice and easy. A dab of paint on each. There, going for gold. We're going to do the main body of the tiger gold. Carefully painting in between the stripes, of course, and around the other facial features and the ears. Brilliant, well done. We're just leaving the nose area white, leaving the tummy as well. Leaving the feet as well. Then the rest of the back. And if you want, you can use pens or crayons or even pencils. It's all up to you. There, ready for some yellow for the inner ears and the nose where the mouth is too, and the belly. So it's like a paler shade for those parts. We'll do the feet as well. Not the claws, but the paws. Wow, this tiger is looking really cool. That's it. Right, last but not least, we'll do brown claws. Little dab. 1, 2, 3, and we're done! Excellent! Well done, kids. You did a fantastic job. Roar!
Hi friends! Have you got your drawing paper and pens ready? Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a dinosaur. Let's start with the head. His big mouth and sharp teeth. I can see his tongue. Can you see it too? He is holding something in his hands. What is it? Oh, it's an apple. Let's move to his legs. What sharp claws he has! And a big, thick tail. Now, little details. Scales on his front. What about his tail? It has spikes. The spikes go all the way up. And little round patches on his sides. Now let's go over the lines and make them darker. Have you got your colors ready? Let's start. Dark brown for the round patches on the sides of his body. Don't forget the spikes. And the claws. Now light brown for the rest of the body. Hands and legs. The dinosaur is smiling. He likes the colors. Dark pink for his nostrils and his gums. What color is his tongue? Light pink. Yes. White for his sharp teeth. Be careful, the dinosaur will bite. Shall we use peach for his stomach? Now for the apple. Green for the leaf and red for the apple. Our dinosaur is ready! He looks nice and colorful, doesn't he? Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!